Hey there, welcome to a new video. So today I am going to review another product, and this time it is a powder setting powder by Bella Pierre, and I think that a lot of you have heard about this setting powder. It is the banana setting powder, and as I said, it is by Bella Pierre. So it is a small sample. I had gotten this from a makeup advent calendar, you know, those calendars which are marked by days during December, and you get a product each day. So I got this in one of those calendars, and I got this about a year ago, and I am still using it, and I still have a lot of product in it. As you can see, it is really small, but there is a lot. So first off, I have to say I love this setting powder. It is really fine. It sets my makeup really well, and my makeup stays on and doesn't budge for a whole day. Also, in Malta we have a really hot summer, and I sweat profusely, and when I have a full-on makeup face, you know, you sweat on your face, but with this powder I don't sweat at all, and my foundation remains really good, remains perfectly. So I love this powder. I would recommend it to everyone. The only thing that I don't like, the packaging. I don't think there is anything that can be done, but the sifter, you know, when you have this type of sifter and you put it on with a brush and then you close it, the powder gets everywhere. As you can see, that there was a plume of powder when I closed the lid. That is the only downside to this product, but apart from that, it is really great. I think the price, it's about £30, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on this. But if you know the price, please let me know in the comments down below what the actual retail price of this product is. I would really like to know. And also, if you use this, let me know as well, and what you think about it. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments down below as well what future products you want me to try out and to review for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to hit that notification bell and to subscribe to my mailing list. The link is in the description box down below. Until the next one. Bye bye.